Hey, what's going on guys? I am Azim and today we will be taking a look at the top features of new Samsung arrival, the new Samsung Galaxy Note 10 lineup. So the pre-orders for this Note 10 lineup just started on August 10 and began to ship officially on August 23. So let's start with the top features that this Note 10 series is having. So first feature that is really appreciable is the display. Samsung has just implemented the display of Quad HD resolution with pixel density of 2280 by 1080 pixels with 401 pixels ppi. It includes HDR10 Plus technology, and considering that Samsung has opted for a Quad HD display, here we are impressed with how the display looks. And the HDR10 Plus technology will help you in viewing and watching the movies and every stuff on your phone in bright and vibrant colors. Along with the stylus and the big screen, the other thing the Note 10 lineup has always stood for is the Along with the stylus and big screen, the other thing the Note line has always stood for is the best specs. That's true here too. The Note 10 Plus has a fast Snapdragon 855 processor, 12 gigs of RAM and 4300 mAh of battery and plenty of expandable storage. The 1100 model comes with 256 gigabytes, or you can pay $100 more for 512 gigabyte variant. Next best feature is the camera. Samsung Note 10 lineup has almost same camera setup like that of S10 and S10 Plus, and sensors are of 10 megapixel ultra wide angle lens, 12 megapixel regular lens and the 12 megapixel telephoto lens. These should combine to deliver a fantastic photography experience if they work as well as on the Galaxy S10 range. Most of the Note 10's improvements in the camera department are in its video recording capabilities. The image stabilization technology has been improved, and there is a new feature called live focus mode, which enables you to capture bokeh background blur effects of the kind we're used to seeing in portrait mode stills. You can make a subject pop out from their background in other ways too, for example by keeping your subject in color while making the backdrop black and white. Again, this is an effect we have seen for stills, but it's a new idea for video. On the Note 10, this is all achieved through software. The Note 10 Plus has used a separate depth vision lens to work its magic. So if this sounds like a must-have feature for you, it's likely to work better on larger phone. And the next cool feature is regarding Samsung Note 10's S Pen. Improvements to the S Pen for the Note 10 include gestures control by adding the 3-axis gyro sensor that allows you to control certain apps such as the camera, video or gallery by moving the S Pen in different directions. This is currently limited to Samsung apps, but the company is allowing third-party app developers to access this feature, so we may see third-party applications begin to use it in the coming months. The next feature is regarding the security. Yes, I am talking about the Note 10's under-display fingerprint sensor. The Note 10's ultrasonic fingerprint screen sensor has a new setup process that starts at the settings lock screen section. Tap on the screen lock type and then fingerprints to get the process going. It takes almost 10 pressings in rolling finger to get to 100%. Now the phone opens when finger is pressed on the integrated part of the screen. And guys, this ultrasonic sensor is really super fast than other competitors in this range because it is the ultrasonic. And the next feature is also an amazing feature, and it is called the OCR feature, and also called as converting notes into text. I mean converting images into the text. If you have an image on which something is written or a page on which something is written, then you can convert it into text by using this feature. To turn your handwriting into text, tap it, pull the frame to cover it and then tap convert on the right. You are presented with editable text which would not perfectly transcribed but is still pretty good and easier than using the phone's keypad. You can also save this as PDF, Acrobat, Microsoft Word file, TXT file or an image. And next feature is just mind blowing, and I have not seen this feature on any device before this. It is called as zoom in mic, and from name you can expect what this will do. An easy way to improve the audio quality of videos is to enable the Note 10's zoom in mic feature by using this phone's 3 physical microphones as a focusable microphone array. Everything sounds more professional when you zoom in or out on a subject. When shooting video, zoom in mic can focus the sound from a specific area where you will be zoomed while ignoring noise on the surroundings like air vents or barking dogs. Next cool feature is augmented reality feature that we have seen on the flagship devices only, and by using this feature you can actually draw directly on videos, so you can add a different line, different structure in your videos like pen tool. And also this AR feature will work as a measurement tool to measure the object sizes, and sensor used to measure object sizes is the TOF sensor, time of flight sensor. After opening quick measurement application, pick between inches and centimeters and aim the camera at any object that's size you want to measure. That's no more than 6 feet away. It shows the object with its measurements and distance to the phone. And next feature is the game booster in Note 10 series. The Note 10 family has a big advantage with the Game Booster app. Game Booster is designed to raise performance and block interruptions while you are in gaming zone, but it can also monitor your phone's temperature, memory and remaining battery life. It takes a few rounds for it to learn your style of gaming, but it worked with everything. And the last feature we are going to discuss about is the wireless and wired charging speeds. The Galaxy Note 10 phone comes with faster charging speeds than almost all Samsung phones. That is 25 watts of wired charging that proved to be even quicker in real life tests than 30 watts of charging speeds of the OnePlus 7 Pro. The Note 10 Plus needed just 65 minutes to reach a full charge using the 25 watts of charger that ships in the box. The Note 10 Plus, however, can also support 45 watts of charging speeds, which means it can recharge even faster than that of 25 watts. To take advantage of the 45 watt new technology, you will have to spend $50 extra on Samsung's 45 watt charger because it doesn't come in the box, so you will have to buy it extra. Other USB Type-C chargers might not work even if you already own one. And now the wireless charging of the Note 10 and Note 10 Plus, both devices do support wireless charging at up to 15 watts of speed. Even though that's far from the fastest wired charging possible, that's still pretty good. For example, Google Pixel 3 can only charge at maximum throughput of 10 watt and only using Google's proprietary Pixel stand. Likewise, you will have to make sure you use Samsung's certified wireless chargers to get the best performance possible. Samsung's wireless charging stand runs $79 and supports 15 watts of delivery. And here you can see this picture of a video from Droid Sense, a tech YouTuber tests both Note 10 and Note 10 Plus charging speeds. For its tests, Droid Sense simultaneously charged the Galaxy Note 10 and Note 10 Plus. The Galaxy Note 10 with 25 watts of charger, while the Galaxy Note 10 Plus with 25 watt charger, and second Galaxy Note 10 Plus with 45 watts of charger. And results which just appeared at the 100% charging. You can see on the display that Note 10 Plus with 45 watt charging finished at 56 minutes and 51 seconds, and Note 10 Plus with 25 watts of charger finished 100% at 1 hour 14 minutes and 24 seconds. And the base model Note 10 with 25 watts of charging finished 100% at 1 hour 30 minutes and 57 seconds. And here is also the graph made by Droid Sense where you see the time period and charging percentage. So there is not too much difference between the charging of Note 10 Plus with 25 watts of charging and Note 10 Plus with 45 watts of charging. So that were all the amazing and best cool features that I liked most in the Note 10 lineup, and I hope you also enjoyed. Then smash that like button and stay connected by subscribing, and I will catch you guys in the next video.